After a long search that lasted for hours, after days of hesitation, fear, and fear again, will I fall? Will I get a low views? Will anyone will follow me at all? I feel tired and I feel disappointed. Finally, I made up my mind. I made a big decision. I made my decision and I created a YouTube channel. Yup, this is my channel that I expect to get 1 million view in less than a week. Wait. Is that a subscribe? Oh! I am a famous person. I am a rich. I am Aboudi. Welcome to Aboudi World, where everything is exciting and interesting. My name is Aboudi. I am 18 years old. I am from Egypt and I study at the university. My dream is to become someone in YouTube and create my family. I am very excited to create this journey with you. I will make sure to provide a very good content, such as Egyptian culture, experiences with you, funny moments, lifestyle. Don't forget to like the video and put a subscribe so you can receive everything new. You will see a special content from me. I think I like what I do now, and this is my dream. So why not? Why I don't try? Thank you guys, I see you next time.